Hello student, myself Divya Parmar. Welcome you all to the online session of Electronic Components and Circuit, in which we will learn about timer IC555. Let's start with the contents. First, what is IC555? Pin diagram of IC555, features of timer IC555 and working of timer IC555. So first start with the introduction. The timer IC555 is an integral part of an electronic project, be it a simple project involving a single 8-bit microcontroller and some peripherals, or a complex one involving system on chip. 555 timer working is involved. This provides time delays as an oscillator and as a flip-flop elements, among other applications. 555 timer IC is introduced in 1971 by the American company Signetics. The 555 is still in widespread use due to the low price and easy to use and stability. Depending on the manufacturer, the standard 555 timer package includes 25 transistors, 2 diodes and 15 resistors on a silicon chip installed an 8-bit mini dual inline package. Variants consist of combining multiple chips on one board. However, 555 is still the most popular. Now, pin diagram and description of IC555. Pin number 1 is the ground pin, that is ground reference voltage at low level, that is 0 volt. Pin number 2 is the trigger pin. The output pin goes high and the timing interval starts when the input falls below 1/2 part of the control voltage, which is typically 1/3 VCC control, being 2/3 VCC by default if control is left open. In the other words, output pin is high as long as the trigger is low. Output of the timer totally depends upon the amplitude of the external trigger voltage applied to this pin. Pin number 3 is the output. This output is driven to approximately 1.7 volt below plus VCC or the ground. Pin number 4 is the reset pin. A timing interval may be reset by driving this input to the ground, but the timing does not begin again until reset rises above the approximately 0.7 volts. Overrides trigger, which overrides the threshold. Pin number 5 is the control voltage pin, which provides control access to the internal voltage divider. By default, it is 2/3 VCC voltage. Pin number 6 is the threshold pin. The timing or the output is high. Interval ends when the voltage at the threshold is greater than that the control voltage, that is 2/3 VCC voltage if control pin is open. Pin number 7 is the discharge pin. Discharge open collector output, which may discharge a capacitor between intervals in the phase with the output. Pin number 8 is the VCC pin. Positive supply voltage, which is usually between the 3 to 15 volt depending on the variations. Let us discuss next, that is features of the timer IC555. 555 timer is used in almost every electronic circuit today for a 555 timer working as a flip-flop or as a multi-vibrator. It has a particular set of configuration. Some of the major features of the 555 timer would be: first, that is, it operates from wide range of power rating from plus 5 volt to the plus 18 volts supply voltage. Sinking or the sourcing 200 milliampere of load current. Next, the external component should be selected properly so that the timing intervals can be made into several minutes along with the frequencies exceeding several hundred kilohertz. The output of timer IC can drive transistor-transistor logic, that is TTL, due to this high current output. It has a temperature stability of 50 parts per million per degree Celsius change in the temperature, with equivalent to the 0.005 percentage per degree Celsius. The duty cycle of the timer is adjustable. Also, the maximum power dissipation per package is 600 millivolt and its trigger and the reset inputs has high logic compatibility. Now, working of timer IC555. The 555 generally operates in 3 modes of operation. First, that is astable mode, second monostable mode, and third one is the bistable mode. Let us discuss one by one in detail. First, that is astable mode. This means that there will be a no stable level at the output, so the output will be swinging between the high and the low. This character of the unstable output to use as a clock or a square wave output for many applications. The next is monostable mode. This configuration consists of one stable and one unstable state. The stable state can be chosen either high or low by the user. If the stable output is set at a high, that is 1, the output of the timer is high. At the application of the interrupt, the timer output turns low. Since the low state is unstable, it goes to high automatically after the interrupt passes. Similarly is the case for a low stable monostable mode. The last, that is bistable mode. In the bistable mode, both the output states are stable. At each interrupt, the output changes from low to high and vice versa and stays there. For example, if we have a high output, it will go low once it receives an interrupt and stays low till the next interrupt changes the status. Assignment questions regarding to this video are: first, explain pin diagram of timer IC555. Explain important features of timer IC555. Explain working of timer IC555 with different modes of operation. See you in the next session of the subject Electronic Components and Circuit. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.